Hello, everyone. Today is an exciting meeting. It is called Super Saturday. Thank you, all leaders and guests, for joining. So, today we have two chef guests for the meet our visionary founder, Binoy J. Karadil, and our CMO, Moore Mukaram. So, be prepared for the informative webinar, which will be the beginning for you to shape a prosperous future. We will watch the video before the presentation. Let's start.
In a world where opportunities move at the speed of light, financial stability begins with seizing the right opportunities. Wealth is built with strategy, preserved with patience, and grown with expertise. We understand that every investment is a step towards your goal, and we are here to guide. Because a safe family starts with smart financial choices. That's where 3C Assets comes in. With 25 years of expertise, 3C Assets, built on the legacy of 3C Capitals, is a trusted name in asset management. Your wealth, our commitment. 3C Assets, shaping a prosperous future.
First time in industry. Professionals are coming. Get excited for what's ahead.
Invest in the growth of leading companies worldwide. Empowering startups to make their mark on the world. Trade the essentials driving the global economy. Navigate global currencies with precision and expertise. Unlock the future of finance with digital assets.
The future of wealth management starts now. In a world of endless possibilities, strategic asset management is the key to long-term success. With expert-driven strategies and proactive management, your investments are always working towards your goals. Backed by experience, powered by insight, our experts optimize and safeguard your wealth. Across industries and borders, the right opportunities can transform financial futures.
While everyone is anticipating the future, what does the future of wealth truly look like? We are living in the midst of a revolution, watching industries transform and boundaries dissolve. Are you ready for the revolutionary change in the world of finance? If not, be prepared. The future of wealth is here. It's cashless, borderless, and powered by a global community that believes in democratized investing. The future is 3C Assets. Guided by trust and driven by innovation, 3C Assets empowers individuals and industries to thrive in an interconnected, ever-evolving global landscape. Across borders, across industries, we've built a legacy spanning over 25 years in key financial hubs: London, Costa Rica, Hong Kong, and Tashkent. And now we are going globally, expanding beyond boundaries, reshaping what it means to invest, trade, and grow on a global scale. A world where investing isn't reserved for the privileged, but is open to everyone. With a platform designed for all, 3C Assets is not just managing assets. We are democratizing investing. We simplify the complex, open doors to endless possibilities, and foster a thriving community of growth. It's a whole new financial ecosystem. 3C Assets isn't just about what's next in finance. It's about shaping what's next for you. Together, let's shape a future that's prosperous, inclusive, and built for everyone.
Cabin crew, prepare for landing, thank you.
Dubai awaits, the city of vision, wealth, and unstoppable ambition. The world watches as a new era begins, the official launch of 3C Chain blockchain, an asset-backed Layer 1 revolution built for global impact. From June 5th to September 5, only the elite will qualify. $12,000 AMA, your passport to power, recognition, and legacy. Witness history as achievers are recognized by the legendary CA Dr. Binoy J. Katadil, DSC, the man behind the movement. Real-world assets tokenized, finance decentralized, wealth redefined, all powered by 3C Chain. This isn't just recognition, it's a declaration of global leadership. 3C Bull Summit Dubai, Event Q3 2025. Condition, $12,000 AMA, 50-50 rule applies. 3C Assets, shaping a prosperous future. The 3 C's of life: choices, chances, changes. You must make a choice to take a chance, or your life will never change.
Hello again. I'm excited to present to you a new era of financial opportunity, a future where asset management and wealth building are no longer limited to a privileged few, but open to everyone. Our company is called 3C Assets and it's about shaping a prosperous future. Let me tell you a little about who we are. 3C Assets is more than an asset management company. We are a revolution in the investment world. Backed by 25 years of expertise and a global network of professionals, we aim to empower everyone, from seasoned traders to beginners to succeed in the financial markets. Therefore, our mission is to democratize access to financial markets, and whether it's crypto, forex, stocks, or traditional trading, we offer tools and insights for all. At 3C Assets, we believe blockchain technology should be accessible to everyone. So we have created a platform that makes it simple and safe for both experienced investors and newcomers to explore digital assets and new financial opportunities. With over 2 decades of experience, we have built an ecosystem which integrates Web 2 and Web 3 technologies, and it opens doors to real-world asset tokenization and blockchain-powered solutions. I would like to emphasize that our vision was born in key financial hubs like London, Hong Kong, and Texas, and today we are going beyond borders and industries, reshaping how people invest, trade, and grow worldwide. Moving forward, in a world where legendary investors like Peter Lynch and James Hammonds have led the way, a new leader is emerging. Binoy J. Carrerill, our visionary, driving this revolution forward. So our founder, Dr. Binoy, is a global trailblazer in asset management. His journey began in 1990s as a chartered accountant and certified fraud examiner. With a triple master's in business administration, law, economics, Dr. Carrerill built a strong foundation in corporate governance and financial strategy. He has led a multi-billion-dollar infrastructure financing projects, and today his mission is to democratize access to wealth-building opportunities worldwide through 3C Assets. His name is fast becoming a prominent figure in the history of global investment. Next, we have Edward Profke, and he's our CEO. He's Australian financial strategist with more than 35 years of experience. Edward has an impressive background managing business operations for major companies in Australia and New Zealand. As a fellow of Australian Institute of Management and recipient of several industry honors, he brings both wisdom and innovation to our leadership. Under his guidance, 3C Assets is bridging the gap between traditional finance and blockchain innovation. Leading our marketing strategies is Moore Mukaram, our CMO. With over 18 years of experience in fintech and web marketing, one of the world's top crypto exchanges, Mo is a pioneer in promoting financial platforms in the Web3 space. He has led transformative marketing campaigns in SeFi and DeFi protocols, NFTs, and metaverse projects, and now he drives 3C assets marketing to new heights, connecting traditional investors with the digital financial world. Thus, with such a powerful leadership team, 3C Assets is well occupied to redefine the future of financial markets. In our company, we operate with full regulatory compliance across multiple jurisdictions to ensure the highest level of trust and security for our users worldwide. So in the United States, we are registered as a money services business under FinCEN. It is meant Financial Crimes Enforcement Network. So this ensures compliance with anti-money laundering laws and bank secrecy across all 50 states. In Hong Kong, we are an officially registered business, which allows us access to Asian markets while staying compliant with Hong Kong's strong financial regulations and corporate standards. And in the United Kingdom, we are also a registered business, so it gives us a solid base in Europe. Our UK registration proves our commitment to transparency and adherence to strict financial regulations. Altogether, these licenses make 3C a globally compliant platform capable of serving users confidently across the world. So, now let's take a closer look at the KYC onboarding process we follow at 3C. We have built a state-of-the-art identity verification system, and this ensures both security and transparency for every user. Let's see. First, we begin with identity verification. Users are required to submit official government-issued documents, which are then verified using AI-powered authentication technology. So then comes security assessment. This involves multiple layers of checks such as biometric verification, address confirmation, and screening against global watchlistness. After successful verification, each user is ensured a unique user ID or UUID, and which works like a digital passport across all 3C platforms. Finally, we ensure seamless ecosystem access, and this allows you to securely log in to any 3C product or services with just one identity. At 3C, we strongly believe in transparency through comprehensive KYC. This process helps build trust within our ecosystem, ensures full regulatory compliance, and protects both our users and the broader community. For now, let's take a look at our roadmap. It's a clear vision of where 3C Assets is heading and the milestones we're achieving along the way. Talking about our past achievements, our journey began in 2000 with the launch of 3C's investment brand. In 2012, we obtained a portfolio management license, and by 2015, we entered a private equity business through 3C Capitals. In 2018, we established a dedicated capital market research division, strengthening our expertise in market analysis. And turning to our near-term goals, by the end of this year, we'll officially launch 3C Assets in Costa Rica, Hong Kong, United Kingdom, offering virtual asset management and expanding our blockchain ecosystem. By the end of the next year, 2026, we aim to reach 1 million community members, introduce 3C Crypto Visa debit cards, and roll out real-world asset projects. In 2027, we are planning to launch our own 3C crypto exchange and e-commerce portal and complete our registration at the Hong Kong Exchange and Clearlink Limited. Moving to our midterm ambitions, by 2028, our target is 5 million community members to be listed among the top 50 blockchain projects globally and launch our pre-public offer or IPO to our community members. We also plan to enter private equity projects in oil, energy, and mining sectors in the Middle East and CIC countries, and registered 3C assets in New York, USA. In 2029, our ambitions include reaching the top 25 global virtual asset management companies, growing our community to 10 million members, and launching a new fintech project under one blockchain ecosystem. On top of that, looking ahead to 2030, we plan to reach 18 million community members, establish 3C City. It will be a freehold property project with golden visa opportunities in Dubai, and list 3C assets on Nasdaq in the United States. So to conclude our roadmap, it reflects not just growth in numbers, but a commitment to innovation, financial empowerment, and global expansion. Every milestone takes us closer to reshaping the future of digital finance. For now, let's start with an overview of the markets we work with. It's our portfolio and it covers multiple asset classes including equities, forex, commodities, cryptocurrencies, and venture capital. So in equities, we operate in key markets such as India, the US, Germany, and the UK. In Forex, we work with major currencies like USD, GBP, and Euro. Our commodities portfolio includes lithium, gold, oil, and silver. In the crypto space, we manage assets like USDT, SOL, BTC, XRP, and S. It covers both stablecoins and leading tokens. Finally, we actively invest in venture capital projects and private equity, identifying high potential ventures worldwide. And to conclude this diversified portfolio, it allows us to stay resilient and innovative to any market condition. Let's move. At our company, we actually don't wait for the future, we create it. As pioneers of the fourth industrial revolution, we are moving beyond traditional finance and leading the way in blockchain innovation. Our proprietary blockchain, 3C Chain, is the foundation of this transformation, and it enables secure, transparent, and scalable solutions for investors and businesses around the world. This all brings us to our dynamic digital ecosystem. Welcome to the 3C ecosystem. It is a fully integrated financial and blockchain environment which is built to serve diverse investment needs under one digital roof. It includes 3C blockchain, our core infrastructure, decentralized finance solutions or DeFi, real-world asset tokenization projects, crypto exchange for digital asset trading, e-commerce and cashback portal, bringing utility to crypto and Web3. So it includes DreamWin, our innovative rewards platform. It is fully powered by blockchain technology. It is built on 3C's own Layer 1 blockchain, ensuring maximum security, speed, and transparency. The key feature is Spin and Win. It is our exciting and fair gaming experience. All participants' IDs are fully visible through the block explorer, so every step is completely transparent and verifiable. And to guarantee fairness, winners are selected using an advanced random number generation algorithm, making the entire process reliable and unbiased. So DreamWin truly offers a fun, secure, and decentralized way to participate and win. For now, let me introduce you to our 3C Asset Affiliation Academy. This program is part of the Asset Management Affiliation Academy, also known as AMA. It is designed to help users master in markets and grow their earnings. How it works? We offer membership tiers based on your portfolio size, starting from starter at just $50 all the way to diamond, which goes up to $5,000. With each level, bronze, silver, gold, platinum, titanium, and diamond, users unlock greater benefits and get credited with an equal amount in their e-wallet. So the more you invest, the more you gain access to exclusive tools, educational content, and financial growth potential through our affiliate structure. At 3C Assets, our community growth is extremely essential, and that's why we offer an unlimited referral program. You can invite as many people as you like, and from every AMA package they purchase, you will receive 10% referral bonus. So it's a very simple and effective way to grow both your network and your passive income. Let's move and start for the dual bonus. Here, every participant can earn a 10% bonus based on the volume of sales in the smaller side of their network. As you can see in the diagram here, you have two legs, left and right. The bonus is calculated based on the sales volume from the weaker side, which motivates balanced team building. So the rewards are calculated daily and are based on your AMA Academy package level. It is also important to note that 10% is applied to the smaller community sales. There is a daily earning cap which equals your current package level, up to a maximum $5,000 per day. This system is designed to reward not just recruitment, but strategic growth. Next, we have the rank performance bonus, a reward system for hitting specific volume targets with your team. Here you can see a few examples. For the rank called Associate with $5,000 in volume, you earn $100 or a gold coin. Or for the Senior Associate with $12,000 in volume, you get $300 or a Samsung tablet. For the Principal Associate with $25,000, you earn an iPad or $500, so you can choose by yourself. For the consultant with $75,000, you earn a MacBook or $1,000. Or for associate director with $500,000, the price is $5,000 or a super bike. Drawing your attention, the higher your rank, the better the rewards. And at higher ranks, the bonuses become even more impressive. For the director with 1 million volume, you earn $20,000 or a Jeep Compass. Or for assistant vice president with 2.5 million volume, you reward $40,000 or a Toyota Fortuner. For the vice president with 5 million volume, you get a BMW 5 Series or $100,000. And for the president with 10 million volume, you get $250,000 or a Mercedes G-Wagon. And please note that the 50-50 rule applies here. It means that your volume should come from at least two separate legs of your team. So for now, let me present you the rank performance bonus structure. This system rewards performance based on volumes and ranks achieved within the organization. As you can see, the first rank is Senator. To reach this rank, you must achieve a volume of 25 million. The reward for this rank is either $500,000 or a Rolls-Royce Cullinan. Next, we have the Ambassador rank. To reach this rank, the required volume is 50 million, and the reward is either $1 million or an ultra luxury villa. For the global ambassador level, the required volume is 100 million. This rank offers a reward of $2 million or a private jet. Finally, the 3C ambassador rank requires a volume of 500 million. Achieving this rank comes with a reward of $10 million or a private jet. So the 50-50 rules applies to all performance bonuses across ranks. This rule ensures a balanced and structured distribution of rewards and volumes across different levels. In addition to performance bonus, there is also a royalty bonus system. So, in addition to performance bonus, there is also a royalty bonus system. The royalty bonuses are structured based on the ranks. For the associate rank, the royalty is 1%. At the senior associate rank, the royalty increases to 2%. For the principal associate rank, the royalty is 3%. the consultant rank earns you a 4% royalty, and at the senior consultant rank, the highest, the royalty increases to 5%. The royalty bonuses are calculated based on the AMA Academy package with volume generated on the sponsor tree. Let's move to our portfolio profit. It provides a return on investment from 7 to 14%. The profit is distributed on the 4th and 16th of each month. Importantly, there are no withdrawal charges on the portfolio bonus, and there is a 200% limit on the portfolio investment. Talking about refund policy, if you invest, for example, if you invest $1,000 and earn $300, only $700 is withdrawable minus admin charge. So the rank performance bonus and the royalty bonus systems are designed to reward individuals for their performance and contribution to the organization, with increasing rewards as you achieve higher volumes and ranks. For now, moving on to the elite rank royalty bonus. This system rewards leadership. The higher portfolio volume, the greater royalty percentage, starting from 1% for associate to 5% for senior consultants. These royalties are calculated daily based on the portfolio volume generated on the sponsor tree. Let's move. This is our multi-layer bonus system, which rewards members for activity across multiple levels in their network. As you can see, the bonus percentage range from 12% at level 1 down to 0.5% at level 20. Level 1 to 5 are open to everyone, regardless of rank. To unlock deeper levels, from level 6 to level 20, you need to advance your rank, starting from associate, as I was telling before, to principal associate. The higher rank, the more layers you unlock, and the more income streams you can generate. There are also a few key points to remember. This bonus is based on portfolio profit from your downline. There's a 4x earning limit, meaning you can earn up to 4 times your package value through this bonus structure. So this system is designed to reward leadership, network growth, and long-term involvement. Next is the Club Millionaire Bonus, another portfolio-based income for leadership ranks. For the director, it's 2%. For assistant vice president, it's 4%. For vice president, it is 6%, and for the president, it goes up to 8%. Again, this is based on portfolio profit with a 4x earning cap. Finally, we have the Elite 3C Billionaire Bonus. It's a share of the company's global portfolio profit. For the Senator, it's 1%, for Ambassador 2%, and for the Global Ambassador 3%. Now, as you can see, 3C Assets offers a powerful, multi-layered income system, daily binary commissions, rank rewards with real products and cash, deep portfolio-based bonuses, and also a share in the global profit. Now, let's move on to our exclusive promotional event, the 3C Bull Summit in Dubai. This special summit will take place between June 5, it's already started, and September 5. And to qualify, participants must reach a total of 12,000 in AMA purchases during this period. The event will be held in Q1 of 2025 and is designed to reward our most active and committed community members. So this event is for elite. This is a once in a lifetime opportunity to network, grow, and to celebrate success with 3C Global family in the iconic city of Dubai. Maybe you will become an elite and you will be with us. Having discussed this, let's proceed to terms and conditions for 3C assets. First, income from asset management licenses is distributed daily. Income based on portfolio will be distributed on the 1st and 16th for each month. All portfolio investments will be calculated starting from the next payout cycle. A 5% admin charge applies for all withdrawals except for portfolio profits. Withdrawal time 48 hours. Moving on to the crypto debit card. The crypto debit card is needed to empower everyday transactions. It enables fast, efficient, and hassle-free crypto transactions. This card is designed to simplify the use of cryptocurrency for daily purchases. Now, let's take a look at the key dates for 3C assets in this year, 2025. In Q1, we had a global soft launch of 3C assets. In Q2, we had a 3C leadership meet in Thailand. Q3, as I already told you, Bull Summit in Dubai. And by the end of this year, we are also planning to have a Bull Summit, but in Maldives. So you have a chance to get to come with us. We really follow a simple but a very powerful philosophy. It is called choices, chances, and changes. There is one saying: you must make a choice to take a chance, or your life will never change. We invite you to begin a journey with us and shape a prosperous future together. We're a global company with offices in around the world, in the United States of America, in European countries, and in Asia Pacific. So looking towards 2025 and beyond, 3C Assets is bridging the gap between institutional knowledge and individual ambition, creating opportunities for all investors with the experience and you to thrive in the world of trading and investment. So thank you so much for your attention. Now I would like to take a moment and welcome a very special person, the powerhouse behind 3C, our Chief Marketing Officer, Moore Mukaram. He will share his new updates we have got in the company. Please welcome.
Hello, everyone. Thank you so much. Thanks, Jasmine. Thanks for the presentation. I'm sure everyone would have gone through it. You find it very lucrative. My name is Mo. I'm the Chief Marketing Officer working at 3C Assets Management, working with his elites, one of the most elitist brains I've ever come across, Dr. Binoy J. Cutterdeal. So, well, this is more of an update per se. I just want to take you guys through to the entire compensation plan enhancements. I'm sure you must have seen, the slides shared by Jasmine. This is the next level. This is what we have planned to do going forward, and with immediate effect. So, next slide, please, Sam. Thank you. Okay, so great. So what we're looking at here. So we've got, as you probably would have seen, that we've got now the starter pack. Then initially we had the bronze, the silver, and titanium and platinum. But what we have done, looking at the current ecosystem, looking at the interest from the users, the consistency from the users, we have come up with the gold package, which kind of gives you an oomph to your portfolio and to the AMA as well, because we are always adding new features and new knowledge-based information on the AMA, because that's the gateway for you guys to enjoy so many things with reference to the e-wallet or any new updates or any new features. You will get to know all the information once you go ahead with the $500 package. Okay, now looking at the elitist, the recent addition to our AMA packages, the one and only, the big gun, the diamond package, which is of $5,000. The portfolio eligibility for that will be to invest $50 from $50 minimum to $50,000, or should I say USDT, because I'm from the Web3 ecosystem. So this is a very important feature, everyone. We need to understand why we are bringing all of this into contention. Um, the reason why we're bringing this is because we want to democratize the investors, democratize the traders, democratize users who wants to be a part of this ever-growing company, this ever-growing, powerhouse. So why 3C Asset Management? Let's move on. I'm going to take you through the next phase. Yes. Okay, so now the most important part is the e-wallet benefits. Now, the moment you're gonna buy AMA, so you must ask, okay, what's gonna happen the moment I purchase an AMA package? So let's say, for example, you choose $500 as an AMA package. The entire amount will be allocated not to 3C, but to your own wallet. It's an e-wallet that is built, designed, developed on Web3, which means that all the amount that you're going to be depositing, the 500 USDT, will be allocated to your personal e-wallet, and you will then be in a position to access all the following perks and all the following features that falls under 3C Asset Management. Starting off with AMA. So let's say you buy the AMA, and then all of a sudden you see that there is a cashback coming. Why? Because based on your investment and based on your friend's investment, because I'm sure you know that there is a 10% cashback right away. The moment, I mean, it's a part of the finder's fee, because you will be able to get the entire amount credited to your account right away, right? So no questions asked. The moment you bring a new friend, the moment you refer a new relative, partner, whoever it is, all right? So you'll be getting 10% on credited automatically before the day ends in your wallet. So you need to have a substantial amount of balance towards the end of the month in order for you to enjoy the 2% cashback. Now, what's Dream Win? Dream Win is the first ever online raffle draw gaming platform that is built, again, designed, developed, and built on the layer one blockchain. So why are we talking about layer one blockchain? Because 3C Asset Management, under the patronage and the vision of Dr. Binoy J. Katadil, has shook hands with the Web3 ecosystem. So so the entire concept behind having a layer one blockchain is to own a piece of Web3. And when we bring the Web2 ecosystem with Web3 ecosystem together, this is something which nobody has seen till date. The payouts in the e-wallet will always going to be in USDT. We are not going to pay you in any other form of crypto but USDT. We are working, so we work based on our own layer one blockchain. It's our own layer one blockchain. We work with Regis. It's our tech partner. And on top of that, we have the network that we are working on currently is BEP20, which is Binance Smart Chain. So all the payouts will be based on Binance Smart Chain. It will be allocated. You can do a cash out whenever you want. Based on, of course, there is an admin fee, that is incurred. But then the moment you want to take out the money, it will only be in USDT. No other substantial crypto token payment or any other coin payment. Now, coming to the 3C debit card. What is 3C debit card? So our technology partner that we are partnering with, I'm sure you must have seen being mentioned in one of the slides. We will be providing you all with a standalone, once in a lifetime provided debit card. So those debit cards can then be utilized based on the volume or the value that you have in your e-wallets. So it will be connected automatically to your e-wallets. Let's say if you want to go and buy anything online where the vendor or where the platform is actually accepting crypto, then it will definitely work, because then you can use your cards in order to buy online grocery, or even order on Swiggy for that matter, if that's That's what you guys do in India, right? So we can always make sure that there is a seamless transactions. All the transactions are happening on Web3 on blockchain. So there is 110% level of transparency, level of consistency, and there is no downtime, right? So we have state of the art servers that we're working day and out in terms of connecting the e-wallets with a debit card, connecting the e-wallets with with our platforms as well. Now, I'm sorry I missed about Dreamwin, the second part. So Dreamwin also you could make you can use your e-wallets in order to play a standalone online raffle draw game. It's for you to use your e-wallets in order to make sure that you are buying the tickets and then winning. So we have already given the first prize to our very dear Suman, who joined us during our event in Bangkok, and he was the first person, the first ever winner to win an iPhone 16 Pro phone. And it was something that is, because to be honest, I didn't know Suman. Okay, he was a part of those 200 people that actually came, 200 more people who arrived at our Bangkok event. So this was chosen by random number generation, which is a standalone algorithm of blockchain. So here there is no human intervention. The human the human beings are not involved in this particular platform. They will only be able to play the game and then wait for the machine to decide the winner. Now, how the machine decides the winner is basically based on the kind of engagement that they're doing on social media. If you're, if you're following us on social media, if you're engaging with our content, the blockchain checks for each and every information, because we have a standalone data warehouse that is connected to the blockchain. Whatever engagement happens, everything is recorded on blockchain. Everything is reported back to the blockchain from the data warehouse. Okay. Now, moving on to the club membership, uh, we we have decided to allocate the elite of the elite individuals who are going to be, part of the AMA, who will be generating a volume in the AMAs and also inside the portfolio management system, to be recognized and rewarded by the club membership, the club premium membership. So they will be able to enjoy, top-notch clubs around the world, travel, lounge services, and all those things they will be able to enjoy with for themselves and along with their families as well. Now, Yield5 projects is again a Web3. It's a feature of Web3, wherein if you are done with, or if you have invested and if you have already made so much money that you want to make more money, then you can always come to Yield5 projects. So we have just signed a huge MOU with a lithium mine, which is based out of Nigeria, in Abuja, Nigeria. So the output of that particular lithium mine is $1.4 billion worth of lithium and cobalt. So there are like almost 12 of the mines. We have signed a contract with them. Why? Because they want to come on to our chain. There is also, again, there is a fintech company, a huge fintech company based out of Australia, that is also coming to our chain. There is also another fintech company that provides with SIP plans and everything. So they are also coming to our chain. How is it going to help you? Is based on the efficiency and based on the outputs, those business models will yield. So let's say if you are investing 500 USDT when the output was 1 billion per month, and the next month it is 2 billion, then of course, based on the output, your investment will grow. And that's how we will make sure that all our users, and this is only and only for 3C users, guys. There is we will not entertain any other users that are coming from outside, because there is a strict KYC process that we follow, and we make sure that there is no outsider or any scammer. This will eradicate the entire concept of scammers coming onto our site. Okay, so moving on to the shareholder rights, we are going to be allocating the owner's rights to all the individual personnel who are achieving a particular volume on a monthly basis. So they will be the ones who will be able to enjoy the shareholder rights. And on top of that, let me also tell you that now that we are recognized, we are certified by the Money Services Business License by FinCEN, FINCEN in the United States. We will also be going to go ahead and list 3C Assets Management on NASDAQ. That is underway. That is happening. It will be a huge IPO for us, and that is a part of the 2026-27 plan. So, what is in it for you? Huge opportunity. Once we go IPO, then you will also be able to invest and reap the benefits out of the IPO when we're going to go to NASDAQ and also to the Hong Kong Stock Exchange as well. So on top of that, let me take you to the next slide. Okay, so as we all know that initially it was just 8% that an associate was enjoying, but now by default it's going to be 10%. And on top of it, it all depends on the 10% sales in smaller community, and also, as probably you guys would know, that the monthly or the daily capping was 3,000. Now it is 5,000 USDT. So we have increased the capping now. So look, it's only to recognize the hard work which is done by the leaders and by their team members. This is for all of you to make the most out of the opportunity. So now the capping is gone. It's no longer 3,000 USDT. It's going to be 5,000 USDT per se. So daily, you will get a chance to earn more, and then at the same time, get more people on board, get more users on board, get more, build your team while you're enjoying making money as they are making money as well. Okay. So moving on, now, as you probably would know that the monthly profit from a portfolio management system that we are offering is 7 to 14% based on the ROI, right? So now what we are looking at is that now you will be able to withdraw. The withdrawals will be permitted based on the 90-day cycle. So you will be able to access your withdrawals based on only after 90 days of the current ecosystem. So and on top of that, there will be a 10% admin fee. This is something. So let's say, for example, if a user has invested $1,000, right, and 1,000 USDT, and he earned 300. I mean, he's already taken out 300, and then 700 is the withdrawal, and then minus the 10% will be deducted from the 700. So he will be able to enjoy, do the withdrawal with a cycle timeline of 90 days. All right. Okay, cool. So now this is what I like to. This is what I want all of you to pay attention, because this is the performance for the past 2 months, right? I mean, look, we can always talk about this is what we're going to do, this is what we're going to do. But this is what we have delivered, guys. So in May, the total payout was 10.4%. So we are still, promising. We have kept our promise in between 7 to 14% ROI. So on the 16th and the 16th of May and 1st of June, the total, the collective output was 10.40%, which of course lies under the 7 to 14% ROI. June saw an increase to the payout, which was 11.20%. So we are living up to our expectation, and the percentage keeps on growing. And we are committed to what we are saying. We are committed to what we are showing, and we are committed to what we are delivering. All right. Moving on. Okay, so now this is a very interesting part, guys. So now in the elite rank royalty bonus program, as I'm sure you guys probably would know, that there is a ranking system which we have allocated for AMA as well, right? So, but for this, you will be able to, a user or an associate needs to maintain a portfolio balance of 25,000 USDT in order to enjoy 1% as a royalty bonus overall from his portfolio, right? So this is something which is going to start. So uh, based on the ranking, the users will be able to enjoy um, more benefits, more percentages from their total portfolio, right? So you've got the senior associate, you've got the principal associate, consultant, and senior consultant. So once you achieve those ranks, once you achieve or maintain the volume, which you can see on the screen, you will be able to enjoy the benefits, further benefits. This is an update based on the royalty bonus, based on the royalty percentage. So, and also the 4x, the 4-time rules applies here. Okay, so as Jasmine has already mentioned, this is going to be one of the biggest events, one of the biggest rendezvous that we are planning. It's going to be massive, 10 times more better and more bigger than the Bangkok event. Because what are we doing here? Bangkok event was to uh, interact with all the leaders who will be a part of the 3C Asset Management. But 3C Bull Summit is being conducted to honor the achievers and the go-getters. Which means what? 3C Summit, the Bull Summit is only going to be for people that are entitled to maintain, who has maintained 12,000 USDT as part of their volumes in the AMA package. Of course, the 50/50 rule will apply. So why you should do that? Because it's going to be a gala event, and it's happening in Dubai, guys. Which is, and as we all know, Dubai is a place where ambition takes birth, and we will be honoring, we will be recognizing, we will be awarding to all these achievers who are going to be maintaining the said volumes on their AMA, and then on top of that, they will also be recognized by Dr. Binoy J. Khatadil as well. Next. So apart from that, right? So the 3C Bull Summit would also onboard, the others will also be invited. So how? You've got to make sure that you are maintaining a portfolio balance of 30,000 USDT or a team's portfolio of 30,000 USDT, right? Of course, the condition over here, the 50/50 rule is applicable, and those guys will then be honored and recognized by Dr. Binoy as well, by Dr. Binoy himself. So the whole concept behind, guys, is to commemorate your efforts, right? This is not going to be just another event. This will be something that you have never seen or never heard of in your entire life. Why? Because you will be, first of all, you will be honored by Dr. Binoy, and then secondly, you will be rubbing shoulders with the who's who in the business, with the who's who in your own ecosystem. So this will be a very, very huge event, and I would appreciate if everyone can pull up their socks and then make sure that you are a part of this particular gala event by maintaining the balance, by maintaining all the portfolio balance and EMA balance. Okay, and moving on, of course. So this will be a fully paid trip, right? And it's going to be for 3 nights and 4 stays. So once the event is done, you guys can always roam around Dubai, get a gist of what's happening in Dubai. There's Jumeirah, there's Palm Jumeirah, there's Dubai Mall, and then there's so many new attractions, the JVC, or the Jumeirah Village Circle, the Jumeirah Village Triangle. All these are there for you to get acquainted with. So we are going to be there, of course, to make sure that you don't have any issues and you are treated like kings and queens. However, there is a catch. You have to make sure that you maintain a portfolio balance and an AMA balance as well, in order to enjoy all of this. Okay. So yeah, just to capitalize on this, just to talk more about the trip, you need to qualify as a principal associate rank, of course, and then apart from that, you will also be able to get 2,550 USDT, which is a summary of dual bonus, direct referral, and the rank performance bonus. Right? As I said, the rank achievers will be commemorated, they will be recognized, they will be, facilitated by Dr. Binoy himself, our visionary leader. Okay, so now without further ado, uh, I want I want all of you to please follow this activity, because if you really want to know that what is happening in 3C, I want you all to quickly go ahead and scan this QR code to join our Telegram channel. Why to join the Telegram channel? Guys, look, we are not having this meeting every single day. It's only going to be probably be on the second week or bi-weekly on the second Saturdays of the month. So during that course of time, you will, if you want to know what's happening in our ecosystem, then I strongly recommend that you all join the Telegram channel, and then you could keep a tab on what's happening based on the announcements. And also, if you are going to be the chosen one, you will also be a part of the community, and then you can always ask questions on the community leaders, because the community will be there to answer based on the queries that you may have. And hopefully, I will see you all there, because it's very important that we already have over 9,000 subscribers that are coming from both Web3 and Web2 ecosystem. So there's a lot to talk about, and this is the last request from my side before I invite the legendary, the visionary, and the most decorated personality in 3C Asset Management, Dr. Binoy J. Katadale, who's going to be coming on board and who will be sharing his golden words, his sharing his wisdom, and also who's going to be sharing the next level of vision for 3C. So I just gave you the update, and I'm sure I'm going to be joining you guys after Dr. Binoy's speech, after his kind words, golden words, to take you guys through something very important. So stay tuned, because there is something very important that I'm going to show you guys today on the on the call, and which I'm sure trust me, you won't be disappointed. Okay, thank you so much, Dr. Binoy. Thank you so much, sir, for giving us your gracious appearance. We are lucky to have you as our esteemed speaker. So please take over the mic. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, Mr. Mo, our CMO and data scientist in blockchain from US. And also thank you to Ms. Jasmine. She is from Tashkent, our Russian office. And I heartily welcome all of you to this great evening of this second Saturday of the month. We have great viewers from across the globe. We have the communities from UAE, India, Sri Lanka, Thailand, Philippines, Malaysia, Hong Kong, Tashkent, Moscow, London, and Sydney as of now with us. It is very happy to see we have almost above 1,000 members, new members in the community group. So today I'll be only speaking just a spot on the investment side. I had given so much talks about the entire thing on the roadmap, the company's vision, mission across and all. So today I will just confine myself to the investment side. So you today had a great listening on the part of the plan promo, plus the plan enhancement, the Dubai Bull Summit and all. So coming to the investment part, 3C is in the investment industry for the last 20-25 years, and what is known from our side in the market is the performance speaks. So we are trusted experts in the market, and the performance only speaks about us. So we are known as the multi-bagger because we are known by our research in-house kind of things. So how we plan our investment is like we have a great team of research people. We have research analysts, the investment analyst, the fund managers, the chief investment officers kind of in-house team. We never outsource any kind of investment to any other people outside the organization. We never give the funds to any brokers or fund managers. We have our own investment division. So that division take care of the investment part, the portfolio management part. So the funds is like 80 percentage funds we will purely invest. The balance 20 percentage fund we will keep as our reserve whenever an opportunity comes in. So in that 80 percentage, 50 percentage of the funds will go to the various Web2 kind of investments such as in equities especially in Indian equities, US equities, UK equities and German equities, the top 30 kind of equities, the large cap in the other countries. And of course, we do invest in mid caps, the promising multi-bagger kind of opportunity stocks. The second scenario is like we invest in the commodities like gold, silver, gasoline, oil, lithium kind of things. And then the third part, we do also into forex trading, like a portion of the funds, like 10% to 15 percentage into GBP, euro, the kind of strong dollars, kind of strong yen and all. And the fourth part, maybe a 5 percentage to 10 percentage in crypto, the kind of BTC or Solano or kind of things. So these are our investment strategies in the Web2 section. And coming to Web3, we do invest in venture capital and private equity kind of things. That is the RWA kind of investment we do. But the issue with the Web3 is that it's a long-term investment, like 3 years, 5 years. We have to invest, nurture, make it grow, and then exit. But in Web2 kind of investment, it is a short-term, short kind of investment. Some are into multi-baggers. If it is a kind of thing, then we go on a long-term, 1 year above kind of things. But at the same time, we will make sure that our investment strategy is properly matched so that it meet the ROI and far above the ROI. So our ROI is 7 to 14 percentage for 14 into 12. So we should make sure that 160 percentage per annum minimum that return should come. So the maximum can be 2x, 4x kind of thing, which we will utilize that as our reserve where we can give the performance bonus at the end, or we can make the company's growth opportunity. So this is all what I want to say about the investment. So I want to reconfirm or reassure is that we are in the market, we are known by our performance. So rest assured, the investment is safe and assured. We manage properly, we manage our in-house team. We are not delivering, we are not parking our funds to any outsiders. So we have all our in-house capacity. The 3C exchange is coming up, the 3C wallet is coming up, the debit card is also coming up. So 3C is having a great vision and roadmap. So our things will move as per the roadmap. So this is all what I want to say about the investment side. And over to Mr. Mo Mukaram on the part of the next level of the blockchain development in Raffle draw kind of things. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Dr. Binoy. Thank you so much. Those were very, very important updates, guys. Look, it's not every time that you get to hear from the main person, because most of the people, most of the other projects, the main guy, the CEO, the founder, they're always under the hood. They're always, vanishing or disappearing. But here we are two of the elite people in the company. Of course, Dr. Binoy is the biggest one, and I am taking care of the blockchain, making sure that there is 100% transparency, 100% raffle draw. Even for the raffle draw, there should not be any slippages. There should not be any things that will raise the eyebrows of the users. So you will have 100% transparent environment, 100% secured environment, and you can enjoy whatever money that you are investing in order to AMA packages, in order to PMS packages, or the portfolio management system with your portfolio, and on top of that, the raffle draw that you're winning, and also when you're investing in future for our Web3 projects as well. So we are governed by SEC, which doesn't happen. I mean, most of the scammers that you know or you probably would have seen, they are the people who have actually just, they will just throw the money, they will create a token, and then they will ask people to invest into it, right? They will go to Ethereum, Solana, and all that. They will ask them to create a token. They will ask people then to invest money into it, and then they run away. Why we are different is because we have our own blockchain, right? And on top of that, we are regulated not only by the United States of America, but also by Hong Kong, by UK, and all the couple of more jurisdictions as well, Costa Rica as well, right? So what I'm going to show you right now is a quick demo or a quick video of Dreamwin, what you can expect. And then after that, I've got something very important to show you. Okay, thank you so much. I want you to have a look at the video first.
Welcome to Dreamwin, the home of blockchain-powered mega raffles. This isn't the future, this is now. Dreamwin's biggest raffle draws are live. Grab your chance to win cutting-edge gadgets. Win the all-new iPhone 16 Pro, the future of tech now within your reach. Power up your play, design, and hustle with our iPad raffle, ongoing right now. MacBook Pro, Creator's Choice. The MacBook Pro is your ultimate tool, and your chance to win is live. Win the iconic Kia Seltos, blockchain mega raffle draw, and drive away in style, fair, fast, and for real. Every draw is backed by blockchain, secure, fair, and visible to all. No hidden tricks. Buy your ticket now using your AM8 e-wallet balance and spin the wheel, and you could be the next big winner, instantly. Not just luck, it's your moment. Win with Dreamwin.
Thank you so much. Thanks, Sam. Thanks for it. Okay, so now that you have seen the video, let me take you through a live example. All right, let's see what exactly is Dreamwin, what exactly is 3C asset management. I'm sure you guys, we go with this Indian or with this human psyche, saying that seeing is believing, right? Everyone goes with that model. So let's just see in order to believe. All right. So, okay. This is the platform. This is our platform, and this is where we are. This is where exactly you guys will be able to make more money. And let's say I'm logging in. So I've already logged in. So of course you guys have to sign up, and then simultaneously, and then you will be allocated with an e-wallet, and also then you will be allocated with a Dreamwin account as well. So what can you expect here? So you've got the main wallet. So once you put money, so all you have to do is come here and then say AMA. And this is where you will be able to buy or purchase the different packages, right? So let's say if you have purchased just the $50, then you will get a chance to upgrade it based on what is being told to you by your leaders, right? And after that, once you're there, you will be able to see this as a dashboard, and then all the money that you have done, all the money that you have updated. So let's say, for example, I've done $50. So this $50 will show up like this, right? It is not going to 3C. This is your account, guys. Again, I'm repeating. This is your account. And then you can always cash out. All right. So I'm going to show you what else you can do with this $50. And if you can see over here towards the right, top right corner of the screen, it's Open Gaming Wallet. So when I click here, I get redirected. So where you have to sign up, right? Because I've already signed up, I'm going to show you how it's going to look like. So this is Suman. He's the one who won the iPhone 16 Pro phone from during our event in Bangkok. And this is where you're going to be able to see the online raffle games. So you can see that your account, the game wallet, has $50 already. So from where did this money came? It is coming from the amount that you have invested already using the AMA. So we are not getting anything out of it. We want you guys to play the game, play the raffle draw game, and win. So right now we have what we have. So we have we have an iPad to be won, and I want all of you, all 100 plus viewers right now, to create your account and then play this game. You will get to know. Look, there's almost, I think, a little over 206 tickets to go, and they're selling fast. So here's your chance to win the iPad Pro, the iPad Pro device, which will be given on the day of the final. I think it's on the 15th. So sorry, the 25th of July. So the lucky draw, the raffle draw will be announced. The winner will be announced on the 25th of this month. And what's next? So after that, we're going to have the MacBook Pro, which will be available shortly after that. So tickets for that will be 500, of course. And then in order for you to join this, so look, I'm just joining it right now. Okay, I'm buying a ticket. It says win a brand new iPad for only 10 USDT. So you're investing 10 USDT, and then you are buying this ticket based on, see, you have successfully purchased. So go to my raffles. Now I can see in my account, I can see that you can see it's $40, 40 USDT here. And on top of that, you can see the raffle, which has been completed. So this is an entire demonstration of what you invest and how you're going to be getting it as well. So the whole concept here is to make sure that the winner, there is transparency, the winners are announced, everything is done based on the random number generation blockchain. So on the 25th, we will show a live, like for example, it's not going to be the human, it will be the machine that will be talking about the winner, that will be announcing the winner, and it will happen only on blockchain, right? So there is something called as a block explorer that you will be able to get only, you'll be able to see only on that day, that will decide the fate of the winner of this iPad. And then what's after that? There is a mega raffle draw called, which is upcoming, of course. The mega raffle draw is a Kia Seltos car, and which will be given by Dr. Binoy to the user or to the winner at the event, right? It will be announced and probably given it to the user at the event. And please, I request you all to join our Telegram group in order to know what's happening, how many users have participated in which draw. So this is a great opportunity for all of you to be a part of something massive. Okay, so good luck to you all. Okay, and it's time for signing out. My name is Mo Mukarram. I welcome you all again from around the world to be a part of this ever-growing Web 2 plus Web 3 ecosystem, where we are driving consistently the concept of transparency, the concept of data-driven approach, the concept of governance, and the concept of security. Okay, thank you so much for your time. I really appreciate you all coming here today. See you all in about 2 weeks' time. Ciao.